about to show you something that you will never be able to unsee. Pay close attention to the spokes of my bike when I pass by. If you paid close attention, you might have just noticed the spoke blur effect, something I learned about recently and can't help but notice when I look at cars or bikes or pretty much anything that has wheels and moves. What happened was the spokes at the top of the wheel were more blurry than the spokes at the bottom of the wheel. If you didn't notice, watch again. Next time you see a car pass by, pay attention and you should be able to notice this happen on the tires. Now, obviously, when you move something really fast, or you spin a wheel, it becomes blurry. But as soon as you mash the motions and put them together, the bottom becomes less blurry. Now, you can do this with any side, and the side relative to the bottom of the wheel will become blurry. So, you can move it all over. It's pretty fun to watch. So the reason this happens is the combination of rotation and translation. So let's say that this wheel is moving clockwise, but is also being translated to the right. As you see, the red dot is barely moved. So let's take this even further. Say that through rotation, the dot moves 3 inches to the right, but through translation, the dot moves 3 inches to the left. The dot technically hasn't moved, and as we know, lack of motion makes things not blurry. Check out this video from UNSW School of Physics. This is called pure rolling, and is what happens when a tire rolls perfectly, with no slide. Something to pay attention to is that in pure rolling, the point of the tire touching the ground is instantaneously motionless at the point of touching the ground. So let's take this red dot here. When it is right here, it is going 0 miles per hour, because the velocities of the translation and the rotation completely cancel out. It is no longer moving up or down, but is going the exact same speed in the opposite direction that the car is going. On the flip side, when the dot is at the top of the wheel, it is actually going twice as fast as the car. This is because, at the bottom of the tire, the velocity of the translation and the rotation cancel each other out. But at the top of the tire, they are added together, making it go twice the speed. So make sure to always drive half the speed limit, otherwise you could get pulled over for driving, twice as fast as your car is going. But at the same time, your car is always at 0 because at the bottom of the tire it is not moving. So, just make sure to drive as fast as you want. Hey, don't eat that. Hey. Guess it makes for a good cat toy too.